Mina no Nihongo Vocabs Lesson 5. Ikimasu, go. Kimasu, come. Kairimasu, go home. Gaku, school. Eki, station. Hikoki, airplane. Phone, ship. Densha, train. Shikatetsu, subway. Shinkansen, bullet train. Basu, bus. Takoshi, taxi. Jitensha, bicycle. Aroite, on foot. Heto, person, people. Tomodachi, friend. Kare, he, boyfriend, lover. Kanojo, she, girlfriend, lover. Kazuko, family. Hitorede, alone, by oneself. Senshu, last week. Konshu, this week. Raishu, next week. Kongetsu, this month. Raigetsu, next month. Kyonen, last year. Kotoshi, this year. Rainen, next year. Nani Nanigatsu, month of the year. Nangatsu, what month? Soitachi, first day of the month. Futsuka, second day, 2 days. Mikka, third day of the month, 3 days. Yokka, fourth day of the month, 4 days. Itsuka, fifth day of the month, 5 days. Moika, sixth day of the month, 6 days. Nanoka, seventh day of the month, 7 days. Yokka, eighth day of the month, 8 days. Kokonoka, ninth day of the month, 9 days. Toka, 10th day of the month, 10 days. Zoyoka, 14th day of the month, 14 days. Hatsuka, 20th day of the month, 20 days. Nizoyoka, 24th day of the month, 24 days. Nani Nani Nichi, day of the month, number of days. Nanichi, which day of the month, how many days. Itsu, when. Tanjobi, birthday. Futsu, local train. Kyoku, rapid train. Tokyo Express. Tsugi, tsugi no, next. Do itashimashite, you're welcome. Don't mention it. Bansen, platform, number. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe at Japanese Learning Hub. God bless.